Morning, my dear class. How are you, all of you? Hope so all are fine. So let's start subject English. The grammar articles. Grammar usage of articles a and the. Look at the picture and read the words given below. An alligator, an igloo, a nest, an orange, a door. We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples: a door, a squirrel, a nest, a giraffe. कुठल्याही एखाद्या वस्तूचं, ॲनिमल्सचं, प्लेसचं, अदरवाईज एनी पर्सन नेम स्टार्ट विथ अ कॉन्सनंट साऊंड. मग आपण तिथे काय यूज करतो? ए. We use "and" before the naming words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an owl, an alligator, an envelope, an igloo. एखाद्या नाउनचं, एखाद्या शब्दाचा जेव्हा वॉल साऊंडनी स्टार्ट होतं तेव्हा तिथे आपण "and" वापरतो. A and "an" are called articles. A and "an" are articles. Now let's see. Fill in the blanks with a or "an." How many days are there in a week? I saw a frog hop into the pond. Please carry an umbrella. It is raining. Farida saw an eagle sitting on the roof. I can climb a tree. Ira wants to be an actor. Have you ever seen an octopus? My brother gifted me a toy. In this way you have to write in the blank a or "an." Now look at here, my dear class. Work with your partner. Take a turn to name the animals in the picture. Use a or "an" with their names. You have to do this activity with your partner. You may do with the siblings also. The is also an article. We use the in place of "an", "a" or "an". When we talk about a noun for the second time, example, look at here. The is also an article. We use the in place of a or "an". आपण a and च्या instead आपण द वापरतो. when we are talking about a noun for the second time, जेव्हा आपण त्याच गोष्टी, त्याच वस्तूबद्दल किंवा त्या एखाद्या नाउन बद्दल पुन्हा बोलतोय तेव्हा आपण द वापरतो. एक्झाम्पल: I ate an apple. The apple was very sweet. See students, आपण ऍपल बद्दल बोलतोय, मग पहिल्यांदा बोललो म्हणून तिथं काय आलं? an apple. Indefinite article. And definite article, we are know about that apple. That's what we use the apple was very sweet. Do you get it? जेव्हा आपण एखाद्या वस्तूला पहिल्यांदा बोलतोय, त्या वस्तूबद्दल अननोन आहे ती गोष्ट, आणि जेव्हा ती आपल्याला फिमिलियर होऊन जाते, मग तेव्हा आपण डेफिनेट आर्टिकल वापरतो द. अँड बिफोर दॅट वी आर युझिंग, पहिल्यांदा त्याच्याबद्दल बोलत असेल तर अ, कॉन्सनंट साऊंड असेल तर अ, अँड वॉवल साऊंड असेल तर "an". अंडरस्टूड? We use the also before the names of oceans, seas and rivers. The Indian Ocean, the Red Sea, the Ganga. Famous buildings, the Red Fort, the Lotus Temple. Things that are only one of their kind, the sun, the earth. एकच आहेत. That's what we use here, the. Now fill in the blanks with a, "an" or the. Simon is a pilot. He flies an aeroplane. The red hen found a seed. She wanted to plant the seed. Mummy brought a frog for Jessie. The frog had a pretty lace. Simi brought a gift for Mummy. The gift was a storybook. Do you got it? How to write? If we are talking first time about the thing, so we are using indefinite article, and when we know about that things, noun, so what we use? The article, that is definite article. The earth goes around the sun. The Himalaya are the youngest mountain in the world. My uncle live in a village. It is on the bank of the Yamuna. Do you understand, my dear class? See students, complete the paragraph with a, an or the. This is your task. You have to complete at home. Complete with these articles a, an or the. Thank you, my dear class. Wash your hand. Do study. Bye-bye.